Hey folks, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon Web Services and the Bucket Server to create a basic set of static web pages that anyone can access from anywhere on the internet. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to go to aws.amazon.com. Alright, so you go there and then click on sign into the console. And then you're going to enter the user ID that you registered with AWS and whatever password it is that you registered with AWS, and then click sign on using our secure server. Now you got a whole bunch of really cool stuff you could mess around with, but what I want you to go to is S3, Scalable Storage in the Cloud. And then you're going to have this nice console here. And I want you to click Create Bucket, and bucket name we'll call this CS324. Click Create, and now we have a CS324 bucket. Now, if you click on the bucket itself, you have a couple of options. You can click on Upload or Create Folder or Actions. So I want you to click on Upload and then click on Add Files, and then any HTML files that you'd like to add to your bucket server to be available for users to mess around with, you want to click on those. So I'm going to click on these two and click Open, and then click Start Upload. And now there's just a few other things we have to do and we'll be all set. So under Actions, well, first of all, we're going to select these two. And under Actions, we're going to click Make Public. So that's really important. If you don't click Make Public, you're going to get permission errors when you try to look at the HTML files that you've uploaded to your bucket server. So click Make Public. Yes, I want to make those public. And then click on CS324 again, click on Properties, and then under Static Website Hosting, you want to take a look at that, and you see this thing that says you can host your static website entirely on Amazon S3, which is what we're going to do. So if we click on Enable Website Hosting, and then enter the name of the default document. This is the document that will come up if you just enter the URL of your website without any file name. So I'm going to say index.html is going to be my default document, and error.html is going to be my error document in case I have some problems. And then I'm going to click Save. Now, the last thing I have to do is I have to go to this endpoint. So I can just click on it, and boom, I see Hello World. So that is my index.html. I can prove that to you by typing index.html. And we can even take a look at it if you want. View page source. And there's doc.html and all the HTML element tags that allow me to create my HTML document. So there you go. That's how you go about using a bucket server to create a set of static web pages. If you want, if your static website is more complex than a bunch of HTML pages in the home directory, you can also click on Create Folder to create additional subdirectories that can contain more content. Well, that wraps it up. Good luck.